though.
Where we at, Case?
We're at the hot springs.
Yep, we're at the hot springs. We're gonna see how hot it is coming out of here. Let's see here.
Sand. I found some black sand. Sand, eh? Yeah. Grayish black inside. Black not too grayish. Oh. I'm making it over. Oh yeah, that feels good. Yeah, but the bottom is a little cold. Who put some rocks there? How dare they?
It's about 130 degrees.
What?
Then you just mix some water in from the river and get it the way you like it. But it's a lot of snow melting, the runoff's coming off, so there's a bunch of pools that's filled in right now. There's just a couple we can get in right now. But let's try it out.
Ow! Yeah.
Hey, we about got the temperature right?
No. No.
We're just, we got hot coming out of there. And we got it coming out of here. We just had to divert some because it's got too hot on us. We're trying to get it right here. But it's a pretty place. Sitting in the hot water. Alright guys, what do you think about this?
Hot. Hot but cold.
Look at
Hot.
me. Hey, how you like this?
Good.
Pretty wild, ain't it?
This is hot. Sure, we'll go for that. This is cold.
Yeah. Beautiful country here.
I need hot.
There's about 60 elk over here. You can't see them. And there's usually some big horned sheep here, but I don't see them today. And I've checked these hot springs here. This one here, this one comes right out of the ground. And these over here, both of these are 130 degrees. There's one over here that's 140, but you just move rocks around and divert it and stuff, and let some river water in to mix with it. And we got this pool here about 103, something like that, and it works out pretty good. So they're having fun. buddy.